Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use hot corners on Mac OS Sequoia. So hot corner is a feature in Mac OS where you can basically place your mouse in a corner and it will do a certain function. So for now I've set my hot corner at the bottom right to show me the desktop. However, you can choose many different things. So let me show you how to enable this on Mac OS. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Now from here you want to go ahead and find desktop and dock. Scroll down all the way until you see hot corners. Now here you can go ahead and configure each corner to do certain function. So at the top left, we can go ahead and configure all these. At the bottom left, we can go ahead and configure all these on the top right and at the bottom right. So as you can see from my example, I've only used the bottom right and I've configured that to show me the desktop. So once I place my mouse there, I can see the desktop right away. Once I place my mouse again at the bottom right, it then brings back the window which I was watching previously. So there you go guys, that is how to use hot corners on your Mac OS Sequoia. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.